Welcome to ATIF Official. Today, we're diving into Samsung's latest mid-range lineup, set to make waves in just a few days. The Galaxy A56, Galaxy A36, and Galaxy A26 are all ready to hit the stage. And we've got the inside scoop on specs, colors, official press images, and even expected prices, all leaked before the official launch. So what makes these three devices stand out? Let's break it down. At first glance, the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 look strikingly similar, but the devil is in the details. Here's what they all have in common. A stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. A triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture, PDAF, 4K recording, and optical image stabilization, OIS, stereo speakers, an IP67 certified casing, and a massive 5,000 mAh battery. Dual SIM support, a USB-C port, and compatibility with 5G, NFC, GPS, and Bluetooth 5.3. All three models will launch with Samsung's One UI 7, even before older Galaxy phones receive the Android 15 update. But that's where the similarities end. Let's explore the differences. Close-up of the Galaxy A56. First up, the Galaxy A56. This model boasts a punch-hole display for its 12-megapixel front camera and an under-display fingerprint sensor. It's powered by the brand-new Exynos 1580 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an f2.2 aperture, and a 5-megapixel macro camera with an f/2.4 aperture. The A56 also features Gorilla Glass Victus for added durability, a metal housing, and 45-watt fast charging. However, it's worth noting that the headphone jack is missing here. Expected to start at around $479, the Galaxy A56 is the premium option in this lineup. Visuals of the Galaxy A36. Next, we have the Galaxy A36. It shares the same punch-hole display and under-display fingerprint sensor as the A56, but it's powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, with either 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM. The camera setup is slightly downgraded, with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens instead of the 12-megapixel one found in the A56. The macro camera remains the same at 5 megapixels. The A36 comes with Gorilla Glass 7 Plus, a plastic housing, and retains the headphone jack. It also supports 45-watt fast charging and is ESIM capable. Priced at around €379, the Galaxy A36 strikes a balance between performance and affordability. Close-up of the Galaxy A26. Finally, the Galaxy A26 takes a more budget-friendly approach. It features an older notch design for its 13-megapixel front camera and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Under the hood, it's powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM. The camera setup is further simplified, with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The A26 comes with standard Gorilla Glass, a plastic housing, and a headphone jack. It also includes a micro SD slot, which is missing in the other two models. Charging is capped at 25 watts, and it's slightly heavier at 200 grams. With a starting price of €299, the Galaxy A26 is perfect for those looking for a solid mid-range device without breaking the bank. So, to recap, the Galaxy A56 is the premium choice with a metal body, Gorilla Glass Victus, and the latest Exynos chipset. The Galaxy A36 offers a great balance with Snapdragon power and a slightly lower price tag. The Galaxy A26 is the budget-friendly option, packing essential features at an attractive price. All three models are set to launch on March 2nd, so mark your calendars. Visuals of the Galaxy A56, A36, and a 26 in different colors. And let's not forget about the colors. Samsung is known for its stylish finishes, and this year's Galaxy A series is no exception. The Galaxy A56 is expected to come in sleek shades like Arctic Silver, Ocean Blue, and Midnight Black. The Galaxy A36 will offer vibrant options such as Sunrise Orange, Sky Blue, and Graphite Gray. The Galaxy A26 keeps it classic with choices like Pearl White, Lavender Purple, and Forest Green. No matter your style, there's a color for everyone. Whether you're a gamer, a photography enthusiast, or a binge watcher, the Galaxy A series has something for you. The 120Hz AMOLED display ensures smooth scrolling and immersive visuals. The 50-megapixel main camera with OIS guarantees stunning photos and videos, even in low light. And with a 5,000 mAh battery, you can game, stream, and stay connected all day long without worrying about running out of juice. Charging speeds vary across the lineup. The Galaxy A56 and A36 support 45W fast charging, so you can power up in no time. The Galaxy A26 with its 25-watt charging is still plenty fast for everyday use. No matter which model you choose, you'll be back up and running with all three models are dust and water resistant, making them perfect for outdoor adventures or accidental spills. And with stereo speakers, your music, movies, and calls will sound crisp and clear. Let's quickly recap the prices. The Galaxy A56 starts at around $479. The Galaxy A36 comes in at approximately €379. And the Galaxy A26 is the most affordable, starting at just €299. Mark your calendars for March 2nd, when Samsung officially unveils these devices at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at how the new Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 compare to their predecessors. The Galaxy A56 builds on the success of the A55, offering a more powerful Exynos 1580 chipset and improved camera capabilities. The Galaxy A36 steps up from the A35 with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, delivering better performance and efficiency. The Galaxy A26, while more budget-friendly, still manages to outshine the A25 with its larger battery and updated design. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of what mid-range smartphones can do, and this year's lineup is no exception. Early leaks and rumors suggest that these devices are already generating a lot of buzz. Tech enthusiasts are praising the Galaxy A56 for its premium features, while the A36 is being hailed as the perfect mid-range contender. The A26, with its affordable price tag, is expected to be a hit among budget-conscious consumers. Imagine unboxing your brand-new Galaxy A series device. The sleek design, the vibrant display, and the promise of top-notch performance, all wrapped up in one stunning package. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or switching from another brand, the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26 are sure to impress. So, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned for the official launch on March 2nd and be the first to get your hands on Samsung's latest mid-range marvels. Don't forget to subscribe to Science and Knowledge for all the latest updates, hands-on reviews, and in-depth comparisons. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video, and let us know in the comments which Galaxy A series model you're most excited about. Your feedback helps us create content that you love. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the world of science and knowledge. Until next time, take care and stay tuned.